Brazil's forgotten wilderness, a blue ghost returns from extinction. This is the Spix's macaw, the rarest parrot on Earth. 20 years ago, the last wild Spix's macaw vanished. The species declared extinct in nature, their cobalt wings silenced forever. But hope survived in captivity. Through decades of dedication, conservationists bred the final 50 birds. In 2022, 8 precious individuals returned home. Now she navigates the thorny Caatinga she's never known, instincts awakening with each sunrise. Pair bonds form, the foundation of survival. Their calls echo through canyons, silent for a generation. Danger remains. Hawks patrol the skies. Every flight is a calculated risk. But freedom tastes sweeter than fear. She owns the wind, master of a sky reclaimed. Ancient rituals return, dust baths, paired flights at sunset. The species remembers itself. When she inspects a nest cavity, the future flickers to life. Perhaps eggs, perhaps chicks, perhaps continuity. As stars emerge over the Caatinga, 180 Spix's macaws now thrive in protected care, awaiting their turn. Extinction tried to steal her song, but life fights back. One blue ghost, one impossible comeback, one chance to get it right.